Managing your blood sugar can feel overwhelming and stressful, especially when you're trying to keep track of your readings. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1. iHealth Gluco Plus Monitor. The iHealth Gluco Plus wireless smart blood glucose monitor caught my attention right away with its sleek design and the fact that it comes with 100 test strips and lancets for just $32.99. If you're looking for a convenient way to manage your diabetes, this is worth a serious look. This monitor syncs wirelessly to your smartphone, which means you can access and share your readings anytime, anywhere. It stores up to 500 readings, so you won't have to worry about losing track of your data. Plus, it delivers results in just 5 seconds using a tiny blood sample, just 0.7 microliters. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get quick feedback, making it easier to make timely adjustments to your diet and lifestyle. Now, some people complained about the app's connectivity issues. Here's the thing though, while that's frustrating, the monitor still functions perfectly fine on its own. If you prefer a straightforward device without relying too much on tech, this might still work for you. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, tech-friendly monitor that's easy to use. Skip this one if you're not into apps and want something more traditional. For the price, it offers great value, especially with all the extras included. Now, if the tech aspect of the iHealth monitor feels overwhelming, the next one takes a completely different approach with a more straightforward design. Product number 2, the OneCare Glucose Monitoring System. Priced at a budget-friendly $17.49, this complete kit includes 10 test strips, a lancing device, and lancets. If you're looking for an entry-level option that doesn't skimp on quality, this is worth considering. What sets this apart is its clinically proven accuracy, which means you can trust your readings every time. It's designed with a large display and bigger buttons, making it particularly user-friendly for older adults. You only need a tiny 5 microliter blood sample, which minimizes discomfort while still providing results in just 5 seconds. Here's why this matters for you. It makes monitoring your blood sugar less invasive and more convenient, allowing for better daily management. Now, some users mentioned that the device can feel a bit basic compared to others. Here's my perspective. If you're after straightforward functionality without the bells and whistles, this might actually be a perfect match for you. This is perfect for you if you value simplicity and reliability without a hefty price tag. Skip this one if you want advanced features or a Bluetooth connection. For its price, it's a solid starter kit that gets the job done. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who are tech savvy. Product number 3, TrackStar Blood Glucose Kit. The TrackStar Blood Glucose Kit is designed for those who want a modern touch to their testing routine. It includes 50 test strips, a lancing device, and a Bluetooth-enabled app. If you're tech savvy and want to keep detailed records, this one's definitely worth a look. The TrackStar monitor provides results in about 5 seconds with just a 0.8 microliter blood sample. It stores up to 500 results, and the app allows you to track your levels over time, which is crucial for spotting trends. You can even share your data selectively with your healthcare provider. Here's why this matters for you. Having comprehensive data at your fingertips can help you make informed decisions about your health. However, some users pointed out that the app occasionally glitches. Here's the thing though. If you're okay with a few minor hiccups in exchange for detailed tracking and sharing capabilities, it's still a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want to leverage technology to stay on top of your health. Skip this one if you prefer a no-frills approach. It's well priced for the features you get, especially with the app integration. Now, if you're looking for something even more user-friendly and comprehensive, the next option might catch your eye. Product number 4, the Glucometer Glucose Meter. Available for just $14.99. This sleek monitor is designed for ease of use with a large display and easy-to-read results. If you want something reliable and straightforward, this might be your best bet. It offers quick results in 5 seconds with a small blood sample of only 5 microliters.
Plus, it features auto-coding, so there's no hassle with manual setup. This is especially useful for anyone who struggles with technology. Here's why this matters for you. Simplicity and reliability can dramatically reduce the stress of daily monitoring. However, some users mention that it lacks advanced features like Bluetooth connectivity, but honestly, if you're looking for a solid, basic monitor that gets you accurate results without fuss, this could be exactly what you need. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable option without complex features. Skip this one if you need advanced tracking capabilities. For the price, it's an amazing value that covers all the basics. Now, if you want a monitor that really steps it up with high tech, let's talk about my final pick. Product number 5, Easy at Home Wireless Glucose Monitor Kit. Priced at $59.99, this one includes 100 test strips and lancets, plus a free app to track your blood sugar levels. If you're serious about managing your diabetes and want a comprehensive solution, this is worth checking out. The Glucose Ease app pairs with the monitor to track your blood sugar levels pre- and post-meals, giving insights on your averages over time. It also has a compliance rate of 97.5%, meaning it's highly accurate compared to international standards. Here's why this matters for you. Consistent and reliable readings lead to better management and health outcomes. Now, some users said the initial setup was a bit complicated. Here's the thing. If you're willing to spend a little extra time to set it up correctly, the payoff is a device that really empowers you to take control of your health. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a comprehensive, tech-enabled monitoring solution. Skip this one if you prefer something more straightforward without the added tech. Given the features and accuracy, it's a solid investment for serious users. To recap, we've covered the iHealth Gluco Plus, the OneCare glucose monitoring system, the TrackStar blood glucose kit, the Glucocare meter, and the Easy at Home wireless glucose monitor. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Easy at Home wireless glucose monitor because of its comprehensive features and accuracy, which makes it great for serious diabetes management. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the basic models if you're looking for more advanced functionality. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.